Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwoch, stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth. Save, invest, and grow wealth. Those are the three pillars we are looking at in this channel. Today's topic is this: rich versus poor. The major difference being fear and how we handle it. Look, those who are poor, they are fearful. And those who are rich, they're also fearful. But how do you handle fear? I am in the stock market, and one thing I've realized is this: to make a move to invest in any given share, everyone freaks out. Nobody's ready to venture in the stock market. Nobody's ready to make the first move. So then what do? I lead them. I guide them. I tell them, okay, this is a good stock, buy. This is a bad stock, don't touch it. But what do the poor people do? They will tell you the stock market is a scam. It doesn't work. Oh, bad. Avoid. Don't go there. My friend, the stock market is not a scam. All the billionaires in Kenya invest in the stock market. Even the president invests in the stock market. So, what the poor people do, when they see an opportunity, they run away. They treat it as a scam. The stock market is not a scam. Safaricom is there and is one of the biggest companies in Kenya. The share price of Safaricom today is 40 shillings. Even the deputy president confessed that he bought Safaricom shares worth 400,000 a while back. The stock market is real, it's a genuine business, and billionaires do it. And not only billionaires, every Tom, Dick, and Harry is with money, with cash reserve, is doing it. So the major thing I've noticed is fear. All of us have fear. But then how do you handle fear? If you are daring enough, you make a move. Because let's face it, investing requires confidence. Investing requires serious confidence. You have to move with courage. Courage and hope that the shares you're buying will earn you results in future. That the shares you're buying will earn you profits in future. That the shares you're buying will grow in price in the future. But what do the poor people do? They run away. They shy away. They call it a scam. Ladies and gentlemen, the only difference between the poor and the rich is how we handle fear. The poor are afraid, but they move forward with a lot of confidence. The rich are afraid, yes, but they move forward with a lot of confidence when investing in the stock market. The poor are afraid, but they don't invest at all. So if you don't invest, you don't get returns. Investing requires confidence, it requires courage. You must move forward with courage and invest. And invest with companies with solid financial base, not companies that are crumbling tomorrow. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have a question, please comment. I will answer all investment questions. If you're not in our group, join our group, Telegram group. It's a group where we talk about the stock market 24/7. Otherwise, bye. See you in the next video.